Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about products. So, what is product? A product is defined as anything that can be offered in the market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. It is also a bundle of attributes, offering for use or consumption by the final customer. Now, let's look at the meaning of product, service, and experiences. Product is a tangible products that customers can see, hear, smell, taste, or touch, while service is any intangible help, benefits, or happiness one person can give to another that aren't things you can touch or own. And experiences represents what buying the product or service will do for the customer. Now, let's look at the differences between products and services. To summarize, products are tangible items like food, electronics, and furniture that can be stored, transported, and replaced. They are typically identical in design and purpose. Services, on the other hand, are intangible actions like haircuts and medical checkups. Unlike products, services cannot be stored, returned, or exactly repeated, as each experience is unique. Next, let's look at the differences between customer service and customer experience. Customer service is a one time interaction aimed at solving specific problems, while customer experience is the overall feeling a customer has about a brand. Customer service focuses on three key areas: people, physical environment, and process, while customer experience includes seven areas adding product, price, distribution, and promotion. Service can be measured with numbers, while experience is more about personal feelings and impressions. Moving on to the level of product and services. Core customer value consists of what is the customer really buying and a problem solving benefits. Actual product consists of quality level, features, and design. An augmented product consists of post purchase benefits, delivery, and customer service. Now, let's go through this section one by one. Core customer value is the basic values, the pure benefits that each product service brings to satisfy a certain need of the customer. For example, the core value of a house is a place where people can live every day. The core value of a car is its ability to transport people and belongings from one location to another. The core value of a phone is to help the user connect to another person through the phone signal. Actual product is the basic elements combined with core values to create a finished product that can be commercialized, such as quality, features, trademark, packaging, and design. Quality for products can be durability, stability, safety, performance, and experience when using it. Features is a characteristics of the product or service does or has, such as functionality, taste, texture, size, and ingredients. Trademark or brand name is the basic identifying characteristics of a product service in the market, including name, logo, and slogan. Packaging is the science, art, and technology of enclosing or protecting products for distribution, storage, sale, and use. And design is the process of envisioning and planning the creation of objects, interactive systems, buildings, and vehicles. Augmented product is any additional consumer services and benefits built around the core and actual products. It is a bundle of benefits that will best satisfy consumers' desires for an experience. Brand value includes all the reviews and opinions of customers who have experienced or know about products, services, and businesses. For example, Apple's brand value is luxury, class, professionalism. Support services consist of consulting, delivery, and installation, training, warranty, and after-sale services. Now, let's have a last look at core benefit, actual product, and augmented product examples. The first example: Andy needs reliable transportation, so he buys a car. The car allows him to commute and travel easily. To add value, the dealership provides after-sale services like maintenance and support, ensuring his car stays in great condition. Alia loves watching movies, so she buys a TV for better entertainment. To ensure quality, the TV comes with a warranty, giving her peace of mind. Sarah needs a solution to organize her kitchen items, so she decides to buy a kitchen cabinet. The cabinet provides ample storage space and matches her kitchen style. To make things easier, the store offers an installation service, ensuring the cabinet is set up perfectly in her home. Thank you for watching. See you next time.